Hi Betty, to check out your midterm, all I have to do is scroll down, select the midterm, and click on Edit. This is going to bring up the list of questions, and it typically has a question bank, but as you can see by this note, because there's been an attempt on it, we can't modify this exam. So what I'm going to do is create a second one, and I'm going to go ahead and do that, and you can take a look at how we set it up. Okay, we want to turn editing on and then scroll down and we'll select the week that we want to add the midterm. We're going to add an activity, and it's a quiz activity, and we'll call it midterm. Alright, I set the quiz to close on March 5th at 11:30. I set the time limit with 40 minutes by clicking the enable button and typing in the number of minutes. I'm going to scroll down here, and this is review options, so what the students can see. I'm going to uncheck answers and feedback, just because I don't want them to come back while the test is still open and look at what the right answer, see the answer, then the correct answer. This responses will show them their response and how they scored on it. I'm going to uncheck the same thing for after the quiz date closes, and then you can decide how you want to manage that. I set the quiz to be hidden, and I'm going to go ahead here and hit save and display, because all I did is create a container to put questions in and set up the parameters for taking the test. Now here is the questions. If you want to be able to see the question text, if you check the box here, this will come up and show you what the question text is before you add them. Now each of these are in a category, so if I hit this drop down for the category, right now it's showing me everything in the whole course. I want to take the midterm, and you can see it's got 100 in parentheses, which means there are 100 questions. I'm going to select that. I'm going to come down to the bottom, and I'm going to click this add. Actually, it's going to only let me add only 20 or 30 are my options for randomization here. So I'm going to switch up to 20. I'm going to go ahead and hit add, and you'll see it throws 20 random questions. It says from the midterm exam. This tells us it's coming from the midterm exam category. I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to select 5 and throw 5 more questions on, and now I have the 25 random questions. Now the max grade, it doesn't matter what the point total I have in here is, the max grade, if I set to 100, will scale everything up. Or actually, you wanted this to be worth 2 points apiece. So if I scale this to 50, it will automatically, since they're all worth 1, it'll automatically scale them to be worth 2 points. So now what this is telling me, there's 25 questions. They all have the same weight, and the maximum score the student can earn is 50 points for the quiz. So you do have the ability to view each test or quiz separately and look at the questions. So I mean, the way you do that, I mean, you just click on the name of it and you click the edit button, and here are all the quiz questions. Over here is the question bank. This is the left side of the questions on your quiz. The right side are your question bank questions. So all the questions that you have imported into this course, and if you hit the drop down for category, it will show you what each item is. So we can add from here or move things around. I'm not sure how you want to manage the one student in this course that already took the original midterm. So the original one is the one that's in all caps. The one that's combination of upper and lower case is the new one. You could just go in to the midterm and look at the attempts, and actually you can check this student if you want and delete their attempt and then have them redo it, or whatever however you wish to handle it, I guess is really up to you.